Hello kids, today learning 2D shapes. Kids, shapes drawing and color fill. First color name kids, yellow color, red color, green color, brown color, light pink color, purple color, light green color, blue color, sky blue color, pink color and orange color. Kids, shapes drawing. Pink color, heart, pentagon, cylindrical kids, cylindrical, rectangle, rounded square, circle, kids, color fill, red color kids, heart, green color kids, pentagon, yellow color kids, cylindrical kids, sky blue color kids, rectangle, light pink color, rounded square, purple color kids, circle, purple color kids, circle. Shapes name repeat kids, heart, pentagon, cylindrical, rectangle, rounded square, circle. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching kids. Thank you.